it's Jay. So for today's game, we're playing this game called Tycoon. 2 players, coffee shop tycoon, I guess. And we have a guest on my channel. This is my cousin Princess. That Thea Love 646. Say hello. This is her, the jumping one. So let's go and get the yellow one. Let's go. Yellow one. I will get this one. You get to the other side.
Yes. Floor.
Conveyor. And the dropper one. Ooh. What's that? Is that a coffee bean? Oh, can I afford the dropper too now? Of course I can.
Wow, you don't have much money.
I have so much money.
I don't have any.
Do you have any money now?
Dropper.
You have a second dropper. Let's go, guys. Do you have any money now, Princess?
Yes.
Wow. I can
How
afford.
much your money?
I have zero because I sold it for the third dropper.
I only have a 64.
Sorry guys, if Princess don't usually speak English, so please don't bash us. Princess is in my language, so please don't bash us or hate us because of our language. Okay, that's all. Bye. Just kidding. If we have time again, we will play this game again, right?
Yes.
See? Sitting one. Wow, I have some seats. Can you sit here? No, I
only
can't.
have a dropper.
Oh, that's good too. I got.
Oh, I have a front wall.
Okay. Front wall. Okay. Well, that's good. Customer carpet and the painting. Let's go.
I'm only just getting my money.
Okay.
I have a bar sitting.
Wow, that's cool.
Can I see
Okay.
You're just clicking that button.
Look at Princess Cafe. Look.
Hi.
This is her. She's laggy
Also,
for
wear
some
carpet.
reason. Wow.
You have a carpet.
Yes, I do.
Front desk.
Oh my god. I have...
Where's her one? Where's her two? I'm only just buying my water.
Oh, that's cool. Let's get the... What can I buy?
Your coffee shop is so beautiful now.
Thank you, Princess. Let's see if we can buy anything on the out of the shop. No, we don't. Let's buy this weapon stand. Oh my god.
I have a
Hey,
painting.
hey, Princess. Come
Wow.
here. Come here. Come here.
Hey, stop it!
Come here. I will blast you with my splatter.
Help me,
Just
guys.
kidding. Guys, subscribe so I stop splatting Princess in 3, 2, 1.
Subscribe.
Yay! I stop. What? Do you have any food now? Wow,
Yes.
she does. What do you have? A cake? Only cakes? And croissant and coffee.
I have a back wall.
Coffee again, matcha latte. Oh my god. That's cool.
What about yours?
I only got something not quite.
I have a menu now.
Wow.
Look
that's-
at my menu.
Let's see her menu, guys. Let's look at her menu. Look. Snacks, cookies, donuts, cupcake, muffins, red velvet cupcakes. And the desserts is cheesecake pie. The pie has 3 flavors: birthday, cake, and chocolate.
I'm just getting my money because I have a lot of money.
Money.
I have a ceiling now.
Wow, that's cool. Let's get this.
Windows.
Oh my god, I got this. Hey, princess!
No! Help me, guys!
Oh my god. Where's princess?
Subscribe.
Come here, princess. Subscribe so I stop. I mean like. 3, 2, 1. Yay, I stop.
Yay. Thank you.
Thank you for
Guys.
saving princess.
Stop it.
Right wall, then what's next?
Weapon
Ooh,
too.
what's
I
this?
have a weapon
Back
too.
wall and
Sitting
menu.
lights.
Oh, I have menu and I have a ceiling too and windows. Oh, I cannot afford the laser door.
Me too. Because I don't
Burger
have
one.
any money more.
Oh my god. I will kill you.
No.
Oh my god, she had the syrup blaster. Hey, I will bang you. Ah, he's banging me. Stop, guys. Ah, princess. No, don't come near me. Haha, I'm on your window. Wait, what's this? Outside ceiling. No, that's too many. That's too many.
How much?
10 million. I mean 10,000.
Oh gosh.
We have a
Oh,
stairs.
I have a back desk.
Then a bin.
Oh, 300. I need more 300.
Bin and seating plants. There you go. We only need
Yes.
the laser door. The laser door. But
Laser
let's
door.
go the upstairs. Let's go upstairs
I
and
have
check.
500. I need
Ooh,
500.
we can afford the conveyor and the fourth dropper, the upgrader. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my
Why?
god, I'm too laggy.
Same.
Princess. I know. No. This is not yours.
Why?
Nothing.
I was
Come here. I see you.
Where are you?
I'm here. At the top.
Oh. Okay, you have a second floor.
Yes, I have. Let's go and check my cafe.
You have a laser?
No, I don't have any laser doors yet.
Where did you get that? It's there. I don't even know where.
There. Oh my god.
Stop. I will blaster you.
I'm making an error. Ooh, I can buy the laser door. Yay. No.
Laser door.
You can buy it. Yay! We have laser doors now. No, let's not open. Maybe some bad guys will get us. But anyway, let's go to the top floor.
Oh, I need my body.
I just see some outfits, so let's get my money real quick. Let's go and get that outfit. Let's go and buy this. Oh, wow. I'm a barista. I'm a barista. Hey, princess. Let's play barista and worker time. Come here. Follow me. You can be the worker clothes. Put it on. The worker clothes. I will be the barista for today.
Oh, you are barista.
No, go to the worker clothes. Here. Right here. Here.
Worker?
This one. This one.
This?
Yes, yes. Yes. Can you put it? Yes. You're the customer. Come here. Come here, come here. Let's start it here.
Okay, okay.
You're going to enter the shop, be. You're
Okay.
going to enter the shop. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, ma'am. Welcome to Jay's Barista and Princess Barista store.
Hi, can I have some
What do you want? Okay. Coming right up.
cake?
Cheesecake. You want cheesecake?
Yes.
Okay. Let's just get this.
Why are you laughing?
Nothing. I'm just putting something here.
Don't lying.
I got your cookies.
Here you go. Run!
Hey, oh my god, he had a blaster. Run! Run! That was a fun story, right?
Yes.
Oh my god, he's
So
still
can I-
chasing me.
Can I change my clothes now?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so I'll look at my clothes.
Let's just respawn.
Okay.
Respawn.
Respawn.
Oh my god, that was too cursed. But now,
I'm here.
I have my clothes. Yay! Well guys, that's the end of our video. If you like this video, please give this video a like. And if you love it, please give this video a subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel. So, thanks for watching till the end.